Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this is the last review of the year, and in this review, we are comparing expert advisors, three gold expert advisors, where this is the first one, that is VTS Gold EA. However, we are trading these expert advisors in real market environment, real live environment, but not on real account, but on demo account. But this is all in real market conditions. We are not back testing. I'm not showing any back testing result. These are the real market trading. The only difference is that this is on a demo account. However, we have traded all these expert advisors in the real market, in live account, in real market conditions earlier. But now, just like at the year end, we would like to compare the performance of these expert advisors within these volatile market conditions. So first of all, this is VTS Gold EA, and by default, with this particular broker, the equity balance that they provide is 100k. However, we generally used to trade with 0.01, but on 100k, we decided to trade two expert advisors because 100k just for one expert advisors would be a little higher, on the higher side. Okay, so we are using two expert advisors. One is VTS Euro and one is VTS Gold. As you can see it over here, we are trading and deployed two expert advisors, one for Euro USD and one for gold. Okay, for 100k, 19th of October, and today is 25th of December, that is Christmas. So I would like to wish you a very happy and Merry Christmas, and I would like to wish you and your family a very happy, successful, profitable, and also a very healthy new year ahead. So let's go from here. We started with 100k, and the initial lot size that we have taken is 0.10 lot size. This is VTS, that is Scalper Expert Advisors, that used to trade on a scalping basis with very strict parameters, and it does not trade all the time. Okay, so it open trades only when there are very specific parameters meet. And also, this used to trade in the retracement as well as the pullback zone, whether it is for euro or gold. Okay, but these both EA are different. So we started with 100k with a default lot size of 0.01, and let's see how it goes. So due to Christmas, today is Thursday, and today is Christmas, so I think the market is closed today. But still, I would like to share whatever that happened in this particular account. As you can see that there are a couple of euro trades as well as the gold trades, and since this is a scalper, so it used to take a number of trade sizes, and that depends on market conditions. And this is a trend trading expert advisor. However, it does not use to trade all the time. It also has an inbuilt drawdown management. You can see that there are gold as well as the euro trades both together. So as I said, this is the last review of the year, and you can see that with a deposit of 100k, we achieved a profit of 56789, that is approximately 56.67%, 56.68% in 2 months, say 9 weeks. Actually, this is 9 weeks that we completed. We will be completing tomorrow actually. Okay, but I'm creating this video today on the Christmas. Just wanted to wish you. And 56.67% that we achieved in the month of, in 2 months. And if you like to see the running trades, you can see the running trades. And this EA has the ability to take the counter trades as well as the scalping. Okay, so these are the running trades. As you can see that there is no market movement. The trades that have been opened on 24th, there is no trade open today. since the market is closed. Okay, so I would like to share you the MyFX book also. You can check it in the video description as well. So this is the live MyFX book page of VTS Gold as well as VTS Euro. We are trading 2 ES together. As you can see, in 9 weeks, the maximum drawdown was 10.81%. The monthly is around 22.41%. The daily is around 0.67%. This is the growth graph. This is the balance graph. This is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so from 100K, we are at 156,605.24. And you can see all these statistics. I have already shared the link in the video description, and in case if you like to see the running trades as well as the open orders or the history, you can just go through it and can check into the history, and you will be able to find the previous trades that has been taken, whether that is in line with what your comfort level is. In October, on 19th we started, so 5.54 in October, in November 24.47, and in December 19.27% so far. Okay, so this is about VTS Expert Advisor, VTS Gold plus VTS Euro USD together. Okay, on 100K account, let's go to the next Expert Advisor. This is all about perfect hedge gold on this particular account. We are using the same broker as well as the same equity to compare all the expert advisors. Okay, and this is a hedging expert advisor. This is not exactly that only hedge. This is a scalping expert advisor. It is a trend following expert advisor, but used to hedge when the market moves in one direction very sharply. Okay, because market direction and trend both are different things. So due to the number of trades and as well as lot sizes, maybe the broker storage or something. So after November 7th, actually the broker is not showing any trading activity. From October 19th, since we installed till November 7, it was showing all the trades, but after November 7, it was not showing any trade between October 19 to November 7. Okay, so hence we had to stop it on November 8. Okay, so November 8 we had to stop this because the broker was not showing any kind of trading activity between October 19 till November 7, and whatever the profit was achieved, that is 46,377, that was included in the deposit itself. I would like to show you it here in the trading history, and at the same moment I will show you MyFX book. I have just shown you MyFX book, as well as I would like to show you the trading history in MetaTrader 4. But still, this link is also in the video description. You can also go through the link and can check all the history as well as the open order and the open trades as well. Okay, the link is in the video description. So let's go to MetaTrader 4 and we will review check the MetaTrader 4 transaction history. So this one also we started with 100K. However, as I mentioned, from 19th of October, 19th of October was weekend, so 20th of October was the first trading day, but it is not showing any trade from 20th of October till 7th of November in between, and hence I had to stop my FX book, as I just mentioned. Okay, anyways, after 7th of November, actually after 10th of November, it is showing all the trades. Maybe 7th, 8th and 9th would be holiday or maybe weekend. So as you can see that the 46,432.04, that is the profit achieved, that was included in the deposit. However, the deposit was 100K. Okay, and we started with 100K here also, and let's go from here. The minimum requirement to trade with VTS Gold and VTS Euro USD is 5K cents or 5K USD. However, if you are running both the EA together, then I would suggest to keep 10K minimum. Okay, if you can keep it higher, that would be great. For the initial lot size 0.01. As on 100K, I'm using 0.10. So on 10K, I would suggest 0.01. If you're using lower than that, then also 0.01. I would suggest if you are using it individually, VTS Euro or VTS Gold, at least keep like around 5K for Euro USD and 7 to 8K for gold. So together it's around 13K. So I would suggest 10K to 15K would be ideal. However, if you can also trade with the lower things, but if you like to keep the drawdown a little more better, then higher equity would be better. Okay. And in perfect hedge on gold, however, you can trade or currency pairs also. It can trade anything actually. Okay. So even on currency pair, I would like to suggest 3K to 5K for perfect hedge, for a moderate volatile pair, and for high volatile pair maybe 6K to 8K. And for gold, actually I would suggest minimum 50K, but ideally 100K and above. Gold is very volatile and does not respect the technicals all the time. Okay, and due to the increase in demand as well as the geopolitical factors, the war things, and the situation, economic situations happening in the United States, it is very volatile and can spike or can move very sharply in either direction, either up or either down or both in the same day. So I would suggest 100K plus is ideal. However, the minimum requirement, even you can trade it with 5K or 10K also, but that is very risky actually. Okay, so 50K is something that I would like to recommend. And this expert advisor, perfect hedge expert advisor, has a specific condition. Actually, it does not trade with all the brokers. So you need to check like which broker trading conditions are better. Okay, because it does not use to trade with all the expert advisor. It has very strict. It is broker sensitive, it is a spread sensitive, and it is slippage sensitive. So there are when there are good conditions meet, then only this expert advisor used to trade. Otherwise it does not. So need to check with various expert advisors, not expert advisors, but with the broker. So with a deposit of 100K, the total balance now is 190,225. So we achieved 90.22% in 9 weeks in this account as well with perfect hedge. Okay, and these are few of the running trades. As you can see, there are a couple of buy trades as well as the sell trades. Okay, the market is not moving since today is Christmas and the market is closed. Okay, so 90.22% in 9 weeks. Okay, so these are the two expert advisors that we are trading on live trading accounts. However, this is a demo account, but this is not back testing, so we will say it live trading. Okay, so 9 weeks results, you can compare VTS Gold as well as perfect hedge. Now it comes smart gold scalper. However, we are not trading with this expert advisor right now, just due to the obvious reason that I mentioned in the perfect hedge condition, that after 7th of November it was not showing any trade, and hence we had to close it on 8th of November, because if we would not have been closing, then the profit that we achieved in 4 months from 7th of July till 7th of November, whatever profit that we achieved from 100K deposit, we achieved 412,502, that is 312.50%, 312.50% in a span of 4 months. Okay, if we would not have closed my FX book, then all these profits would have been shown as a deposit, and hence we had to close it at that moment. And since it was already 4 months, so we didn't continue it, because it was already going to be the end of the year, and we would like to show you the transparency, what was the equity, what was that we started with, and what we are doing it, and what we achieved in this duration. So if you would not have closed it, then probably it would not be showing the right result. Hence we had to close it. Okay, and I have shared my FX book of this expert advisor also in the video description. You can just check it out. You can check the open orders, open trades, and as well as the history of the orders that we traded. Okay, so there are a lot of trades, like as you can see, more than 100K trades in 4 months. This is month wise: 7.40 in July, 12.12 in August, in September 29.48, in October 153.29%, and in November 4.16%, since we stopped this expert advisor on 7th of November. Okay, so I have provided you both like the links, like 3 links. One is for VTS Euro plus VTS Gold, one is Perfect Hedge Gold, and one is Smart Gold Scalper. So just check it out. In case if you have any question, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned my email and Telegram in the video description. And you are also welcome to check other expert advisors videos performance. I have included the playlist there. There is a playlist called One Shot Expert Advisor, where there are those expert advisors which uses stop loss as well as take profit, could be trailing or could be strict. Okay, so you can just check it out. And also there is a link about intraday scalping expert advisor, where we included these VTS Gold, Smart Gold Scalper, Perfect Hedge, and various others. So if you would have any question about any of the expert advisors that we uploaded on my YouTube channel, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. And again, I would like to wish you a very happy and Merry Christmas and a very successful, profitable, and healthy New Year ahead. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Take care. Bye bye. See you next year.